Hi, my name is ᖃауಯಿᷖナᓱᒃန့ and I'm from ᓃ Welcome to my beautiful hometown. As Executive Director of ᖃπιᒋιαჃ, I'm passionate about leading with heart and purpose. Here's what I've learned about compassionate leadership. Tip 1. Build a shared vision. Leadership is about bringing people together with a shared vision that everyone can believe in. It's about passion and compassion, caring about the work we do and the people we do the work with. Tip 2. Trust and empower your team. Let them take the lead, embrace their ideas, and support them fully. When you empower people, it supports them to shine as they are meant to. It builds their confidence and supports them to believe in themselves too.
Coming up, we'll be running.
Tip 3. Lead by example. No task is ever beneath you as a leader. By working side by side, you show your team that we're all in this together. It's about building mutual respect and trust. Tip 4. Be kind and compassionate. Always lead with kindness. Understand that everyone has a story, and life outside of work affects how we show up each day. It is important to have a compassionate approach to create a safe and supportive workplace. Tip 5. Create space for vulnerability and growth. Make room for your team to be open about challenges. When we're vulnerable together, we create an environment where people feel safe to grow, innovate, and contribute fully. Tip 6. Stay open to feedback and lifelong learning. Leadership isn't about having all the answers. It's about listening, learning, and being open to feedback. Surround yourself with people who both challenge and inspire you to be better. Tip 7. Lead with passion and purpose. Passion is contagious. When you genuinely care about what you do, others will too. Keep your purpose front and center. It is the compass that guides us all. To lead with the heart is to uplift others. Together, we can create the world we want to live in, lifting each other up and making a difference.